Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the icon style in this device. So in this device you can see this is the default icon style. So you can see the circle shape icon style you can see here. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option wallpaper and style, then tap on the option icons. Then you can see some options you can see here. So here I am going to select this one. Now you can see the icon style is changed. You can customize the icon style. For this, tap on the option custom. You can select the shape from here. You can see it is changing. Okay. So here I am going to select this one. After select this one, tap on the option apply. Now let me show you how it works. Now you can see the icon style is changed. You can see. So simply in this way you can change the icon style in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.